Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm on Khan Academy and we're going to continue doing decimal place value. So let's get started. So if you go all the way down here, the last time we left off of compared decimals through thousands. So today we're going to be doing order decimals. So let's get started. So I kind of already started this, but I just want to show you what the wrong way is. So I'm just going to, so I just did this way, this is the way I did it, and then I push check. But the correct way is actually, so you're supposed to put the lowest number on the left. The lowest number is 2 and 509 thousandths. Second lowest number is 2 and 925 thousandths, and the last is 2 and 95 hundredths. And I'm just gonna pause this and I'm gonna pull up, so I have a Jamboard, I'm gonna pull up um a decimal place value chart and we'll go over it. So I pulled up a decimal place value chart and it might be a little bit hard to see because it's kind of blurry on my end, but so I'm going to tell you how I got it incorrect and then how I got it correct, and how the correct way to do it and incorrect way to do it, or the incorrect answers. So these examples I show of the incorrect way to do it, which I actually did it the opposite way. I did the greatest to the lowest, and you have to read the whole entire question. So I just read this, right? Least to greatest. But you also have to look at this. It says put the lowest number on the left. So you have to start with your left, which is the lowest, and then go to the right. The last one is obviously the greatest. So that's one way of an incorrect way to do it. But I'm going to show you the correct way to do it, which is this way. Because 2 and 5/10 is, so they have all the same one-digit numbers. They all have, so like, this is what I mean. Like they all have the number 2 in the ones place unit, 2, 2, and 2, and then these two have 9s in the tens place. This one has 5, and obviously 5 is lower than those 9s, so this one would obviously go first. And then the 2s, and then it has a 0. And then let's look at these ones now. This one has a 2 and this one has a 9. Well, obviously 2 is bigger, smaller than 9, so this one will go before that. And then the 5s are the same. So that's how I got that. So let's check it again. So that is the correct way to do it. And then this one says put the lowest number on the left. Same as the last one. So 3 and 554 thousandths, and 3 and 55 hundredths, and 3 and 3 decimal 544 thousandths. Well, you might think that since 554 and 544 sounds bigger than 355, then 55, obviously they would go last, that would come first. Well, actually, that's the incorrect way to do it. So you have to look at the units by itself. And what I mean by that is, like the one I just did before this, is just to look at the same digit numbers. Like in the tenth place, this tenth place, they all are fives. Then you have to look at the next digit place value, which is the hundreds. Then you have to look at which one is smallest because we're looking for the lowest number. So these two are the same, and then we have a 4. This one would go first. But we also have to look at the last number, and they're the same. So if they're the same, we go back to the first number for that, which is the hundreds, and we see that the lowest number is 3 and 544 thousandths. And then our next lowest is 3 and 55 hundredths, and then 3 and 554 thousandths. Then this one, it would be, this one would be the lowest. And it goes from here because, like I said, the 5s are the same, the 1 is lower than 6, 6 is lower than 8, so it'll go like that. Same thing here, I'm just going to go ahead and do this on my own. Would be right here. So this would be the answer because 5 are the same, and 0, 0, and the 4, so that would be obviously the largest. And then we have our 2 and the 4. 2 is obviously lower than 4, and then also 2, and then we have 4 and then 2 and then nothing. 4 is bigger than 2, but we go back here and 2 is lower than 4. So that's going to be all for today. Hope you guys like this video. Please subscribe and hit the like button down below. And bye. See you next video.